Hi, it's Bren with Cricut, Addicted to Cricut. I am going to very quickly show you how you can take a project, one of your own projects, here I've pulled this up by my projects, and how you can go in and you can change it, okay? Now I'm not going to say that you can change every project, but pretty much I can't imagine any of these I can't change. For instance, I'm going to hit customize on this. This is a card that I made. And if I decided that I wanted to change something on here, I could. For instance, this is not attached, so I can take it out and I can make it a different text. If it is attached, if it's already like welded in there or attached and I can't get it out, what I would do is I would start over with a new square. I would just unlock it, and I would just pull it to the exact same size, and I would start over with my font again, okay? But let's say there's something else. Let's see. Let's look at another one of my projects. Let's say maybe, no, not that one. Let's say maybe this one. This is one that I did for a friend. She wanted a shirt out of this. And let's say this is her game. Big business is her game. And let's say that you want all of this, and coffee's her favorite and kettle corn's her favorite. But let's say you want to change this big business to a different name, okay? Then I would just come in and I would cover over it with, a shape. Okay, I would probably take two shapes and cover over it, and then make these shapes white so you don't really see them. Or you can come in here and cut out the big business. Okay, let me get rid of this. These are other things that she thought she wanted on her shirt. Let's make this a little bit smaller, and I don't want to get rid of it. Let's duplicate this. Okay, so let me show you. Let's say that we wanted to get rid of the big business. I would put my box on top. I would hit my shift key. Notice the square still has the blue line all the way around it. Hit my shift key and hit the rest of the design. Now the blue line is around all of it. And I would come down here and see if I can slice it, which I can't slice it, which means that this is not welded. Now, let me see what would happen if I welded this. Okay, it's still good. When I weld it, it takes it and it makes it all one piece, where before it wasn't. Because maybe, see, if I come down here, if I highlight this and I hit detach, then I highlight it again and I hit ungroup, now I can take those words out of there, okay? So that's another way that you can do it. But let me show you how to do it by slicing it. Okay, so we have a square. Let's put it over the part that we don't want. Hold down the shift key on my keyboard and click the rest of the design, and now slice is highlighted for me. So I'm going to slice that. Basically what that's going to do is that's going to take off, that's going to take off the part that I don't want. Now I can just delete all of those pieces, okay, and then I can bring in a square again. Come on, square. And do the same thing here. Put it over the part I don't want. Hit shift, hit the rest of the design, slice it, and then get rid of it. And now I can put in other text, because maybe I like to play Minecraft or whatever. And then I'll just put that design in there, and then I'll group it, and I'll attach it, and I'll cut it out. And that's it. That's how easy it is. I really like to use the slice, although the other parts of this design have to be one piece, and sometimes that can get kind of tricky. So I hope this helps. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll see what else I can do for you. Thanks.